Melissa, thank you so much. Well, it is very cold out there, and you might be using a space heater. They are connected to more than 1,700 fires inside homes every year, so it's important to be careful if you are using one. The U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission tracking these numbers. Smyrna Fire Battalion Chief Eric Farmer has some key reminders if you are using one this week.
Use a reputable company when you purchase one. The biggest thing is making sure that it's been tested and inspected by UL.
Okay, so UL stands for Underwriters Laboratory. That means that heater passes the tip over test. If your heater does not, there are a risk of fire. That risk of fire goes up. So let's walk through some of those other safety tips. Chief Palmer says to make sure that you have at least 3 feet around your space heater. It needs to sit flat on the ground. And with that in mind, you want to use that space heater away from walls or corners in your home. You should also be awake when you use it. So if you fall, if you can call somebody if something happens there. Also avoid using an extension cord and keep space heaters in a spot where no one is going to trip over them, including your kids or your pets. Finally, keep that heater off and unplugged when you are not using it.